Look at this. It's like a special edition Nesquik. To adventure! I like to think of this little canal, corridor, passageway of trees as the gateway to adventure, because just beyond this lies the Antrim Hills. And here, see, our little post showing the way. So I am heading on a little adventure today up to the top of Agnew Hill. And I'm not on my own because look who's here.
Hey, social distancing sister.
It's Naomi, my very small little sister. Do you think there's less of a coronavirus risk from you because you're small? So there's like there's less surface area to give off viruses.
Can I find a rock?
She can't hit me, because if she hits me, I call the police and they can arrest her for not adhering to social distancing.
You're such a jerk.
Yeah, so this is the first time we've done anything since ages. So yeah, going on a bit of a hike. I am wearing appropriate footwear. She's decided to come in sandals.
You're hiking fast.
So this will be fun. If you're dying to get out somewhere at the minute after lockdown, don't head to the north coast, don't head to the beaches. And if the moorings are a little bit too far away from you and you don't fancy trying to find a parking space down there, come to the Antrim Hills. There's forests, there's hills, there's mud, there's everything you could want from an adventure, and most importantly, there's a complete lack of other people around. This is great. Nice viral free walk.
Stop.
Come on, cross the mud.
Well, here's the advantage to being smaller than you. I'm lighter. So I can
Very disappointed she did not fall in there right now.
Yo.
Pro tip, if you're ever coming up here, once you get to about this point, don't keep going up there. It's quite dry at the minute, but most of the year that's a boggy quagmire. What you want to do is turn off into the trees. It's a lot drier. Naomi's wandered off because she needs to pee, so. Are you peeing yet? Are you peeing yet? Not sure where she's gone. So yeah, we travelled here in separate cars and we should be maintaining our distance. Although at the minute she seems to have completely disappeared.
More branches in that direction.
No hazardous conditions, was it?
You couldn't lean up against any of the trees because there were spiky branches.
Public urination complete.
Shut up.
There we go, out of the forest and nearly up onto the hills. Last time we were here, there was about 2 foot of snow on the ground. Remember that?
Time we actually climbed it.
There's a sheep. Let's go and talk to that sheep. Hi sheep, how are you? Well, that sheep seems to be incredibly unwell. There's another one lying here. I'm just gonna make sure it's actually dead in case it's caught in the fence or something. No, it's dead. What killed you, my friend? Dunno. It's just killed over dead. Oh well, life goes on. It's over the rickety bridge of doom, and now it's onto the Antrim Hills. And from here, all you have to do is, you can just about see me follow the marker posts. There's one, I think, every half kilometre. Just follow your way, boop, 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 up to the top of the hill. quite convenient. There's a random limestone rock out here right in the middle, which has a landing and takeoff pad on it specifically for drones. It's either that or one of those anti-5G radiation discs. Look how dry this is. Yeah. This is normally a stream that you have to jump. I have never seen this dry. It's crazy. We're currently in the middle of the driest, sunniest spring on record. And I'm quite enjoying it. Yeah, that one's completely dry as well. Usually by the time you're this far into this hike, your feet are absolutely soaked. They're not. Just up ahead, you can see the top of, you can see the little summit cairn. Just about make up that hill. There's this little like nipple in the top of that hill. So when you get to this point, you're jacked to just make a beeline straight for the nipple. Hi sheep friends. Come and say hello. Hello. Hi. No, come back. Naomi. Are you hungry? I've found some nature porridge.
What is nature porridge? You're getting too close.
It's over here, this is nature porridge.
That is nasty. Step it. It's crunchy.
Right, is it going to be solid? Will it be solid or will it just be a crust and a squishy one? Let's see. Oh! Okay. Alright. I kind of hope they completely dried out because then you can use it as a frisbee.
What's wrong with you?
It's a cow frisbee.
No! What's wrong with you?
Naomi! I found some nature lettuce.
No.
No, it's nature lettuce. Ow! I'm going to show you a trick that you can do with reeds. You can make like a bazooka rocket launcher with a reed. What you want to do, and not me, is reach, extract yourself one reed, peel a little bit down in so you've just got a thin strip coming off. Sight up an enemy tank, airplane, little sister. Grip this bit between the two fingers and then you just pull. Let's see, close your eyes.
What? What? He got my head!
There you go, nature's Nerf darts. Oh, Naomi!
What?
I found a present for you.
Nathan! Stop touching poo with your hands! Do not throw that at me! There's a bit near me, I will throw it.
You twisted your ankle. I can't imagine how on earth you would twist your ankle. She's decided to come in sandals. Dislocated toe and a twisted ankle. This is not going well. In the interests of protecting the emergency services, if your leg gets sore and you can't walk, I'll do the honourable thing and leave you up here. Exactly. In memory of humongous. Oh wait, humanus. Not humongous. Who did much to popularise walking in this area. Does anyone know who Does anyone know who Humanus was? Oh, probably offended somebody now. Oh, that's a little bit bouncy.
Oh. There, I mean, I don't have to use it. I'll just go under this handy hole.
Can you just walk under there? You're so short. You nearly snagged.
Yes, I know. There's no barbed wire or nothing.
Oh, nearly there. Just this last bit and we're at the top. Here we are, up at the summit cairn, up in the beautiful, pristine Antrim Hills. And what is this? What is this? Stop throwing apple cores at the Antrim Hills! This is such a good location for a sunny day hike. In fact, it's probably one of the first places I'll bring somebody who wants like a sort of an off-trail hiking experience, because it looks like you've walked for miles, but actually the tree line is only about 1.5 miles away. So there and back, it's under 4 miles. And if you get a sunny day like this, it's just great. You can come up here and just look out over the views. You've got Belfast way down in that direction. You've got Slemish over there. And in fact, I think, I could be wrong. Are those the Mourns? No, wait, no, Mourns are that way. Never mind, that's the Sperrins. And if you look way on up that way, I can't quite see it, but way in the distance across the sea, you can see Scotland. And if it's windy up here, you can come down, find one of these little spots like this, and just sit and admire the view. Roll end credits.
Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? Were you gonna tell me? You thought I knew. You thought I knew. You thought I knew.
Oh, look at this, look at this. This is a piece of fur from the elusive Smurf sheep of the Antrim Hills. They only come out at night, and they're recognisable by their blue fur and little white hats. Where are you, Smurf sheep?